Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the front lights on your car. First, open the hood by pulling the lever to the right. Secure the hood support properly in the designated hole to prevent accidents. Now let's dive in and locate the lamp that needs to be replaced. In this case, we're starting with the parking lamp. Unscrew and remove the lamp holder. As you can see, the bulb is broken. Simply take it out and insert a new one. This is the correct replacement lamp. On the back, there's a helpful picture showing where all the lamps should be placed. Here's the new lamp next to the old one. You can clearly see which is broken and which is intact. Now let's put the new lamp back in. To clarify, it is the outer hole. Take a moment to check which lights on your car need replacing. I will pause for 3 seconds so you can see the names of the different lights. Next, we're going to change the main headlight where the arrow is pointing. First, disconnect the electrical contact for the lamp. Then remove the rubber seal that protects the lamp from water and dust. Let me show you a better way by holding the entire lamp holder instead. This step is a bit trickier. You need to push in the metal retaining clip as shown, then pull it to the side and fold it down. Now you can easily change the bulb. I'll demonstrate how to put the new bulb back in or the old one if you're just inspecting. Pull the metal clip over, press down, and pull to the side to secure it. Lastly, let's change the indicator light. You can use a screwdriver, but be careful not to use too much force, or you might break something. Alternatively, you can use your hand, it's up to you. Remember to hold only the plastic part, not the cable. Change the lamp, put the holder back in, screw it in place, and reconnect the cable. And that's it. You've successfully changed your car's front lights. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.